Is your emergency fund or cash sitting in a near-zero interest account? Fidelity's cash management options, like the SPRXX Money Market Fund, can offer much higher yields. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your uninvested cash in a brokerage account often sits in a low-yield, core position. You can manually buy a money market fund like SPRXX or FZFXX to earn a competitive yield. Simply trade for it like a stock using its symbol. For automated sweeps, you can open a Fidelity Cash Management Account, CMA, which automatically invests your cash in a money market fund while keeping it FDIC insured through program banks. My crucial pro tip? Turn on Auto Liquidate. In your account settings, ensure the Auto Liquidate feature is on for your money market holdings. This means Fidelity will automatically sell shares of your money market fund to cover checks or debits, so you never have a transaction fail while still earning high interest. Don't let a single dollar sit idle. Make your cash work for you. Where do you currently park your emergency fund for yield? For more guides on optimizing cash, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.